What up? Today we're working on the 2019 Iron 883. We're gonna take off the stock exhaust and we're gonna replace it with the Vance Hines mini grenades. All right, we got the seat off, we got the tank covered. What we're gonna do is we're gonna remove the main fuse and then we're gonna follow the O2 sensors from each exhaust and unplug those. So this front one is gonna come from right here and plug in right there. And then the other one's gonna come from the back here around and plug in right here. Hose clamps loosened and this is awesome. So just using the 1/4 inch wrench and extension, I was able to slip that right in between the frame and the exhaust pipe to be able to reach that nut. Now that I got the exhaust off, I'm gonna remove the cover here and then remove the mounting bracket, the original stock mounting bracket. Next, I'm going to take the little hook pick and I'm going to slowly and carefully pull out that gasket. Now I'm going to remove the O2 sensors off the stock exhaust. Now that I got that level, I got to torque it down to 33 foot-pounds. got everything tightened down. Now we're gonna go to the other side and plug back in the O2 sensors. All right, moment of truth. Yesterday, I finished it all up. I started it. I only let it run for a little bit because it was quite loud. And I got a little self-conscious, and I have neighbors, so I didn't want to piss anybody off. I went for a ride. I mapped it to the Vance Hines mini grenades on the FuelPak and the high flow air filter in the stock 883. And then I did one auto tune session, so there'll be more to come on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you got something out of it. I enjoy watching these, and I enjoy doing them. I enjoy working on the bike. Once again, I'm not a mechanic. I just enjoy working on my motorcycle. So if you liked it, if you enjoyed it, hit that like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys later.